To make a basic posture pillow, you will need a 3-inch in diameter pool noodle cut to 15.5 inches and a 3/4 inch in diameter PVC pipe cut to 15 inches. Depending on the pool noodle you purchase, you may need a 1-inch in diameter PVC pipe. Some of them are smaller than others, and some of them fit the 3/4 inch nicely, and some fit the 1 inch nicely. If you choose to wrap the posture pillow in fabric, the materials you'll need are the fabric, and the fabric should stretch in every direction. So make sure you get that type of fabric. And the fabric, since it stretches, you can judge the size of the fabric by maybe 1 inch less than the diameter of the pillow. And you can use a template if you'd like to cut the fabric. Okay? And we'll also need the parachute cord to tie the ends. And you can use a drawstring toggle stopper on one end, so that way it's removable and washable. And you'll need a safety pin to feed the cord through the end. And on the other end, I used splice cap from an electrical store. So you can figure out your own method, but in my case, I put the splice cap on there and I crimp it to tie one end. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so we'll take our pillow cover and wrap the pillow. And we'll take our safety pin, attach it to the parachute cord, and feed it through our end seam. And we'll cut, leaving a little extra for the toggle to attach. Snug it up, push it in the center of the PVC pipe, and feed it through the other side. All right, this time a little less is needed, and we place our crimper on the two cords. You could also probably sew this together if you choose. Snug it up, crimp it up, push that into the center of the PVC pipe. And now you have completed your posture pillow. For years of correct posture and wonderful health, I hope you enjoy this video, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.